Welcome back, Freedom Savers. So today I was going through comments on other people's videos, and there's some people out there who are saying that you can't beat the market with 50 plus stocks. And I just want to say, so far I'm beating the market with 174 stocks, 4 ETFs, and 1 CEF. So far my portfolio is doing pretty good. Now mind you, this is a small time frame. All right, I just started these portfolios towards the last quarter of last year, maybe a little before maybe in the third quarter of last year, I started my Roth. So yeah, this is a very short time period, and we will see how it goes over the long term. But for now, I just want to go over how my portfolios are performing compared to the market. And we're going to be using the top 3 indexes, the S&P 500, the Dow 30, and the NASDAQ. And we will compare each and every portfolio to it, how it's performing compared to the market over the exact same time frame. So if I started my portfolio, say on 9/18, which is I believe the date I started my Roth, then I'm going with the performance the market had from 9/18 to now. All right, because that's only fair. The market performed this well from that date, just like my portfolio performed this well from that date. So that makes it apples for apples. So let's get into it, and you're going to see the result right off the bat, but I'll go over them. So I created this little spreadsheet here, this handy dandy spreadsheet. And over here I have all my portfolios. I have the dates that I started those portfolios, and then I have the current date. As you can see, there are very short time frames, like the best beginner one I just started 2 days ago. So anyways, point being, I know the time frame of when I started the portfolio, and I can use the markets during the same time frame to determine whether it's beating it or not. So during the time frame of when I started my Roth, the S&P 500 is down 6.89%. The Dow is down 4.75%, and the NASDAQ is currently down 8.48%. So if we take all those and average them up, the market, I'm considering the market, these 3 indexes, okay? The market is down an average of 6.71%. My Roth performance currently is in the green at 0.44%, which gives me a difference of 7.15% from the market in the green. So the Roth IRA is definitely beating the market. Now, mind you, I have 100 stocks in the Roth, so, you know, I think it's possible to beat the market with more than 50 stocks, just saying. But anyways, so far so good. Short time frame, remember that. We'll see how it does over long term. The aggressive dividend, same thing. During the time frame since I started this, the SP is up by 0.8%, Dow's up by 0.5%, NASDAQ's up 1.68%, for an overall market average of being up 0.99%. The aggressive dividends portfolio is currently up by 7.63%, which means I'm beating the market by 6.64% on that portfolio. Random stocks. During the time since I started that, the market, the S&P 500's gone up 11.89%, the Dow 11.38%, NASDAQ 14.98%, for an average of 12.75%. The market has increased. The random stock portfolio is up 21.47%, making it beat the market by 8.72%. Not too shabby for completely randomly selected stocks. All right, to the no debt allowed portfolio, where all the companies have no debt. During the time frame since I started that one, the market's up 8.78% on S&P, 8.4% on Dow, 10.59% on NASDAQ, for an average of 9.26% it's gained. My performance on the no debt allowed is a positive 3.26%, but it does not beat the market. I am actually 6% behind the market performance on the no debt allowed portfolio. No bueno. All right, monthly dividends started January 3rd. Market's gone up 10.47, 10.2, 12.66 for an average of 11.11% in gain. My portfolio for monthly dividends is up 6.33%. So that means I am not beating the market. The market is beating me by 4.78% on the monthly dividends portfolio. No rules portfolio. Now this is the one where, of course, I have no rules, and I bought a bankrupt company, PG&E and GE. And so far, so good. So anyways, the market's up 6.8% for that one, 6.68, 8.05, as you can see. And the average, the market is up 7.18% since I started this portfolio. This portfolio is currently up 25.39%. Oh, now mine just only been like 3 weeks, maybe 4. Anyways, I am currently beating the market by 18.21% on the no rules portfolio. So yeah, do stupid stuff and win. That's what I get out of this. All right, don't do that. Don't do that. Anyway, the best beginner portfolio, I just started on the 30th, which was yesterday. Yesterday was the first trading day for this, so we've had 2 trading days, yesterday and today. Since then, the market has gone up 0.86% on S&P 500. The Dow has actually dropped by 0.06%, and the Nasdaq's up 1.37%, which means the overall market average is up by 0.72%. The best beginner portfolio, 4 ETFs, VOO, VO, VB, and BND. Anyway, this portfolio is up by 1.57%, which means it is currently beating the market by 0.85%. So let's look at our overall. How are we doing between all of our portfolios? Well, overall average of the market, the overall average of the market is up by 5.04% since the beginning of all my portfolios. So that's an average, right? Whereas my portfolio performance is averaging 9.44%, which means overall, if you take all my portfolios together and add them all up, they are beating the market by 4.4%. Not too shabby, guys. So there it is. I'll be doing this probably once a month towards the end of the month, I think. And we'll just compare the portfolios and how they're performing against the market every single month. And we'll see how it does. I've got another video I'm going to be doing. I should be doing tonight, but I probably won't because it's getting late. Well, maybe I will. And that one is going to be my overall net worth. I'm going to go into detail on all of my portfolios and my 401k and my debt and all that good stuff, and we're add it all up and see what Bill is worth. And as I told you in my previous video, if you look at my channel trailer, Who is Bill Schultz, or Bill Schultz is Exposed, whatever, if you look at that video, you will see that I told you I am worth less than 1 year's pay. So expect that. So that's where I'm going to be. I'll show you my net worth, go be completely transparent with you, and we will follow that along and see if I can actually increase my net worth over time. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that my portfolios are currently beating the market, except for 2, and we'll see how they do in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're all doing fantastic, and have a great day. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.